So in this video we'll see the subqueries. So already I've created a table named students. So the contents of the table, I'm describing the table. These are the fields that is available in the table: ID, name, mark, subject, position, and roll number. So let me check what are the details. What are the data that is available in the table. Select start from students. So these are the details. I have 6 record sets. So here what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add the mark based on roll number. So before doing that, I need to create a table to store only the roll number and the mark. Here in this particular table you can see there are roll number has been repeated and name is also repeated. Usually the stage structure will be it will be different, but for learning purpose this video is there. So the roll number is repeated. I'm going to store only the roll number and I'm going to store the total mark for a particular person. So I'm creating a new table with a roll number and total. So the roll number, it will be I'll having only 3 rows as a result. So because you can see there are 2 roll numbers, 3 numbers repeated. So now I created a table which is in the name of student underscore mark. So just describing the student table, you can see there are 2 column. One is roll number and another is total. Just checking the data. There is no data as of now, so just for checking. Now we can check the students table too. So you know that there are 6 record sets. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert the data insert the data from this table, like students table, where you have 6 records, into the new table that we have created now, student mark, using the subqueries. Now how I'm going to insert into the table name that student mark, just combining the select query. Select what I'm going to select is I'm going to select the roll number, because we have generated the roll number field, created the roll number field in student mark. So roll number and sum of the mark. So how I'm going to make the sum is I'm going to combine the sum of the roll numbers. So I'm going to do a group by function from students. That is a table name. Students is a table name. Group by function that you have seen in the previous video. You can check that video too. Group by roll number. So now what is the result that is going to bring is it is going to insert the total mark of a students based on the roll number. See, out of 6 rows only 3 rows has been inserted. It is very much clear that the roll numbers has been repeated twice. That is the reason. So now we can check the new table that has been created. Select star from students underscore mark. So on running this, you will get the list of entries and their total marks. This you can see that the total mark is not available in that previous table. We have used the aggregate function to generate this total mark and stored it in the new table. Now we can what I need is I'm going to take the name of a particular roll number. How is that possible is I'm going to write a query, select name from students, where roll number is equal to here let me say one thing, here there are 3 rows, but when we are writing the subquery we need to extract only one output for the particular roll number. So for example, if I give 140, there will be error because it will return 3 rows, which is not correct. So I'm going to enter where total may be greater than 150, which will return only 1 row. In later classes we'll discuss how to exactly make this a correct thing. So now, as of now, I'm going to fetch only 1 row. So I'm just running the statement and checking. Okay, oh sorry, there is no bracket. Okay, it is returning rom twice. So I'm going to fetch the distinct name. So in that case it will return only one output. So it will return only one output.